Interesado ka bang malaman kung paano kumikita ang mga forex traders kahit nasa bahay lang? Today, I'll show you exactly how to make money in forex. Step by step, no hype, real talk. Una sa lahat, let's be honest. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Pero, if you understand how price moves, manage your risk, and follow a system, doon ka magkakaroon ng consistent na income. You make money in Forex when the price moves in your direction. You buy, you want the price to go up. You sell, you want the price to go down. Or, buy low, sell high. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero, you need logic behind it. Kung beginner ka, maghanap ka muna ng strategy na madali, like support and resistance, breakout plus pullback strategy, or simpleng SMC basic. Backtest everything. Hindi ka kikita kung hindi mo alam yung win rate ng strategy mo. You need to backtest at least 100 trades para malaman yung win rate at yung average risk reward. Kung may $100 account ka, expect $5 to $10 a week. Kung meron kang $1,000 account, maybe $50 to $100 weekly. Ang totoong malaking kita, yung mga funded traders. Kasi yung mga prop firms, nag-offer sila ng $50,000 or $100,000 account pataas. Depende sa skills kung gaano ka nakagaling mag-trade. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit maraming traders ang nalulugi. Una, overtrading. Ito yung feeling mo kailangan mo laging mag-trade kahit wala namang magandang setup. Ending, pinipilit mo yung market kaya nagiging low quality yung trades. Pangalawa, no risk management. Ito yung pinaka-common na reason bakit nauubos o nasusunog ang mga account. Nagre-risk ka ng 10% per trade, kahit dalawang losses lang, 20% agad ang down ng account mo. Pangatlo, no system. Kung ang entries mo ay based sa gut feel o sa hula, o kaya random YouTube strategies, hindi ka tatagal. You need a system with rules. Saan e-entry, saan e-exit, ano yung validation, ano yung target. Pang-apat, emotions. Kalaban mo sa forex, hindi chart, hindi ikaw. Kapag galit ka, frustrated, o naghahabol ng talo, doon pumapasok ang revenge trades. At doon, lumalaki ang losses. And lastly, trading everyday. Hindi business ang forex na kailangan mo mag-open daily. May mga araw na walang setup. May mga araw na choppy. At minsan, the best trade is no trade. Kaya kung gusto mong kumita sa forex in long term, master the risk, follow a system, and control your emotions. Yun ang real edge ng mga real traders.